Mikey, one of the shop's mascots over at JT Cycles. We're here to talk to you guys today about the Wild Boar speaker and amp kit by Hogtunes. The part number will be listed down below. It fits 2015 to 2023 Harley Davidson Road Glides. This kit is a massive 800 watt system. This kit comes with 4 speakers and 2 amps. That's 2 speakers for the fairings and 2 speakers for the saddlebags. And this system is completely safe for your bike's electrical system. And as fast as you can go on your motorcycle, you will still hear your music. You can find this kit on the website below. Thank you for watching, and rubber side down.